Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable scroll snapping for product galleries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable scroll snapping for product galleries, begin by accessing your website's code editor. Open the file that contains the CSS for your product gallery. Locate the main container of your product gallery. Add a new CSS rule for the container. Set the display property to flex. Next, specify the flex direction property and set it to row. Add the overflow property and set it to scroll. Now, set the scroll snap type property to X mandatory. Next, define the scroll snap align property for individual items. Apply this rule to each product item in the gallery. Set the scroll snap align property to center. This will ensure that items align properly when scrolling. Adjust the width of each product item as needed. Consider setting a fixed height for a uniform appearance. Test the gallery in multiple browsers to ensure compatibility. If necessary, make adjustments to your CSS for optimal performance. Finally, review the appearance of the product gallery on various devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.